Greetings, my dear friends. If today's joke gave you a chuckle, don't forget to subscribe. It's free, and it'll make us even closer as friends. An elderly Florida lady finished her grocery run and headed to her car, only to find 4 grown men sitting inside, about to drive off with it. Without hesitation, Grandma Rambo dropped her bags, whipped out her handgun, and yelled, "I have a gun, and I know how to use it. Out, now!" Those 4 dudes evacuated that car so fast they probably left their souls behind. Still shaking, she loaded her groceries, climbed into the driver's seat, and tried to put the key in the ignition, except it wouldn't fit. She tried again and again. Then she noticed something. A football, a frisbee, 2 12-packs of beer. Grandma blinked. She was in the wrong car. Her actual car was calmly parked 5 spaces over, minding its own business. Mortified, she moved her groceries to her real car and drove straight to the police station to confess. The sergeant laughed so hard he nearly fell off his chair. Then he pointed to the other end of the counter. There stood 4 traumatized men reporting that they were carjacked by a tiny white-haired grandma with glasses and a surprisingly intimidating firearm. No charges were filed, just 4 grown men needing therapy, and 1 legendary grandma who will never live this down. One night, the wife walked into the bedroom, slipped off her shirt and pants, and looked at her husband with a teasing smile. She leaned in and said, "All right, now you know what to do." Bob took a deep breath, looked her up and down, and replied, "Yep, I know." She smiled and said, "Good job, Bob. You're finally getting it. Now go and wash the clothes."